Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, dear students. We have another request from one of my students in Telegram group. Also comes from a book of PWN, PWN, this book for ACT for SAT, sorry, and use it for East as well. Okay. Here we have what? We have a graph problem and ask us algebraic problem or math problem. Just use the graph to calculate the increase of percent in this case is from 2012 to 2013. So if we have a clear data reading, no, we have just scales, but not clear scales, because in 2012, we have up to here, you see the graph, we have up to this part, short part. And in 2013, we have this length, you see? So it's very clear here. I will explain this idea here without calculator. It would be very easy, okay? This length and the other length is more than double. What does it mean in percent? This is 2012, 2013. Yes, 13. In numbers, I will put in numbers. Say this is 2. This increase becomes 4 lengths, 4 unit. Okay, as an example. So the increase here, if double, increase here is what? Increase double means 100% increase. Okay, so it was when I said 2 is increased by 100%, the double should be 4. So the new one is 200%, but not this problem is reading here. Increase more than double. So increase this 2 and extra part here. We can use extra part. This should be increased. This 100%, the original one, new one 200%. This the increase here is 100%. But more than 2, so we have more than 100%. This is the idea here. Say, مثلا, say here as example, said 20% here. So the increase should be 120% increase from the original one. Okay, from the original one. So here it's more than double. It's very clear here. More than double, you see? So this is 100%, another 100%. So the increase here, this part increasing 100% and plus what? Not clear, even here, not clear. So this one only is increasing more than 100%. It's very clear. If you got this idea here, it's very clear to make it without calculation, okay? I hope it's clear. I will use another way to calculate, but please in the exam, don't use calculator in this part or this kind of problem. If you have not clear data, we have to estimate the numbers. He mentioned here, by the way, what? He mentioned approximates. What does it mean by approximates? The nearest value, not exact value. So we have to estimate here the number scale. Okay, this is 500 number of cases. So in 2000 is around to be less than half of 500, maybe 200 here. You see, maybe this part is 200 here. I can make it like this and make a very long horizontal line to check, yes, less than the half of 500. So should be 200. And it takes time, okay? Please don't do like this as you can. If you got the first idea, it's very easy for you. In this part here, is around to be maybe 500, 600, 500 plus, not 500, sorry. So maybe 550 is just estimated from us because it's not scale between 500 and 1000, not clear scale. So here what we have, we apply the concept of the rule of the percent rule. Okay, percent rule, what does it say? What does it say? Original one, so the original one here is 212 years. So original value 200, and the change up time is all times 100. Change here is come from 550 minus 200, almost we there. Just use calculator one step, and it depends on your accuracy in choosing the value here. Not easy to use. I hope the calculator is clear. Minus 200 over 200. I'm not sure it's clear or not in video. Times 100. That's all. You see, even not accurate, but the nearest one is this one. Okay, maybe we can say that this one, to make it very clear or very close, okay, but not clear here. Maybe this one is look like 530, maybe 530. Can we change it? Yes, can we change it to make it what? To make it very close here. Yes, just make it approximately equal. You see, we are very close here now. We are not sure because also we can change this part. We are not sure exactly the value here. So in any cases, the choosy number here should be approximately equal to number D. I think first method, first approach is easy and doesn't take any time, okay? Doesn't take any time. Just by insight, by mentally, by your mind, this part is around be 1 unit, say 1 unit. This one is more than 2 unit point. 2 unit point, 2.5. Okay, so this one and this 2.5 almost, you can even measure it by your ruler here. You see, you can use your ruler here to measure it, to check it. So increase from 1, 2.5, increase 100.5 times 100 is around to be 150%. This is very easy, I think. This is very easy and less than 1 minute question. I hope it understood very well. If not clear, please dear send again in the Telegram group. I'm so sorry for being late last time. I wasn't around here I was out of my country. Okay, but please resend to me on Telegram group and I will re-explain it for you. See you next question. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.